Hello, Jesus. How are you?
Hello, Adriana. I am nervous about the interview.
Relax. Do not be nervous. We begin the questions.
Okay.
Why are you so interested in working in this laboratory?
I am interested in the job because I like to work with chemical samples and equipment.
What has been your work experience? Do you consider having the appropriate experience to work in our company?
I have worked in hematology and clinical analysis laboratory in Merida. I consider that I have adequate experience to work in this company.
What do you think about the pharmacy in our country?
I think that it is a sector that is very neglected by the government, but private companies produce the necessary medicines for the people.
What could you contribute to our laboratory that others can't?
I could contribute to new knowledge, work efficiency, and safety to projects.
What skills and abilities have you been able to develop in the clinical field?
Accuracy in tests, correct use of laboratory equipment, math skills, and speed skills. And because the speed in test is necessary.
In our laboratory, there are different areas. In which area would you like to work and why?
And the microbiology laboratory because at the university it was the subject that I like and I was good in that laboratory.
Okay, Jesus, what is the importance of the pharmaceutical chemist in today's society?
And the pharmaceutical chemist is important and because he's in charge of taking the test so that he knows what happens in your body or what disease you have.
How do you consider the future of the pharmaceutical sector in Mexico?
I believe it that the future of the pharmaceutical sector in Mexico will be innovate and because they are innovating the products and the way of making medicines.
Why did you decide to leave your previous job or are you currently working in a company?
I decided to keep my job in the laboratory because I want new challenges in other areas of pharmaceutical chemistry.
What was the reason for studying chemical pharmaceutical biologists? You can mention several.
And the reason I studied pharmaceutical chemical biologist and was because I want to help people who are sick and need a test or medicine. I have questions for the job. What functions will it to do in the laboratory?
Okay, participate in public policies for the prevention, diagnosis, and control of disease, carry out clinical analysis in laboratories, master the beneficial and toxic effect of various substances on human and animal health, promote the conscious consumption of drugs and optimize novel medical treatments, and contribute to the achievement of the curative goal.
Okay, Adriana, what benefits will I have if I work here?
Okay, you will have a good salary, you will have a flexible and committed work team, your one space in the laboratory, flexes or a healthy work environment, you will present your projects to the general management, you will work with the other important laboratories for clinical cases.
Okay. Will I be able to move up in this company or work in other areas of the laboratory?
Yes, of course. According to your big projects, you will be able to reach in the position. In this company, we motivate employees to do better. So according to your contributions, you could be an important laboratory worker. in the country.
Interesting, Adriana.
Thank you very much for coming and appreciate your punctuality and kindness. We will call you in a few days with our answer. Have a nice day, Jesus.
And thank you very much for attending me and have a nice day as well, Adriana.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.